Need to update your WhatsApp app on your iPhone but don't know how? Well, look no further. In this short video, I'll show you how you can update your WhatsApp app. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Before moving on, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then, follow my easy methods. Method 1. Open up the App Store app on your iPhone. After that, tap on the profile icon. Next, scroll down a little bit, find WhatsApp. Then tap Update button next to the WhatsApp app. The app will start to update. Method 2. Open up the App Store again. Tap on the search icon from below. Type WhatsApp. Now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see Updates option available there, then update the app. So folks, this is how you can update your WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you still have any questions, then please write them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.